In this moment of my life, I got a challenge. The challenge is to teach electronics to kids around, I don't know, 15, 16 years old. So I got an opportunity to teach electronics. It's a thing I love to do. And I got a good kid to teach electronics. Is the trouble to them is all information is in English. So okay, I'm gonna show you the kit, the electronic kit. I got a kit, but it's all in English, so the people don't phone about that. So first of all, you have to I'm gonna show you the checklist. Okay, this is a mirror of that, but you know, the checklist of this component is all in English, so people have to learn English to use this. So this is the user guide. You can find different languages: English, French, Deutschland, and Spanish. In the last part of this is you can find in Spanish. So the key is like something like that. Is I don't know. It's a good way to learn different components in English. You can find a lot of parts. For example, resistors, voltmeter, amperimeter, buzzer, diode, LED, coil. This is motor or engine, potentiometer, resistors, variable resistor. I think that is that. Okay, or varistor. It's a varistor. Power supply. Push button or interrupters. Normally closed, normally open. Coil, phototransistors, socket for bulbs and connections. So it's a really good good material to learn to people who wants to learn about technology.